Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 easy plants to grow outdoors. Before that, you can support this channel by clicking the red subscribe button below. And make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 easy plants to grow outdoors. Number 1. Daffodil. Planting daffodils can be an easy way to start gardening. You just have to keep them get enough sunlight and water to see they're blooming for decades. Moreover, there are lots of varieties like Golden Ducat, Petit Four, or Rip Van Winkle that makes your desire to growing daffodils more interesting. Number 2. Lenten Rose. Lenten roses are one of the easiest plants to grow. Keeping the soil moist and mulching in early winter will encourage the plants to grow, but once established, hellebores can tolerate drier conditions. Plant them in early fall or late spring in a partially or fully shady spot, but keep them sheltered from harsh winter winds. Number 3. Impatiens. Impatiens are easy to grow in any moist, well-drained soil in a shady or semi-shady location. New Guinea impatiens will tolerate more sun than do standard impatiens. In northern United States and areas with similarly cold winters, the traditional time for planting impatiens is Memorial Day, when the danger of frost has passed. Number 4. Angelina Stonecrop. Angelina Stonecrop is valued as a foliage plant thanks to its bright chartreuse color, though it does bear small yellow flowers in the summertime. This ground cover plant spreads easily and is tolerant of poor soil and drought. It also doesn't have any serious issues with pests or diseases. Just make sure it has sharp soil drainage. Number 5. Hydrangea. Hydrangeas are easy to grow either in planting beds or in large pots. Whichever method you choose, you'll need a spot that gets full sun in the morning and partial shade in the afternoon. Big leaf hydrangeas will grow in complete partial shade, so choose this variety if you have a shady yard. Number 6. Peony. Peony flowers early on in the season, around late May, so is often used to extend the peony season in a garden. It's vigorous and easy to grow, producing large coral pink blooms. Number 7. Hardy geranium. One of the great things about hardy geraniums is how easy it is to get more. Self-seeded seedlings just need digging up and popping in a pot with compost till they're ready to replant. If your plant is getting a bit big or old, hardy geraniums are robust enough to dig up and split with a shovel. Number 8. Columbine. The columbine plant, Aquilegia, is an easy-to-grow perennial that offers seasonal interest throughout much of the year. It blooms in a variety of colors during spring, which emerge from its attractive dark green foliage that turns maroon-colored in fall. Number 9. Lamb's ear. Growing a lamb's ear from seed is easy and straightforward. Here is how to do it. Find a container that can drain well and fill it up with either seed starting mix or regular soil. In case you can't find a proper container, take a yogurt cup and poke a few holes in the bottom. Number 10. Blue fescue. Blue fescue, like the name implies, is a beautiful blue-colored ornamental grass that is easy to grow. Growing in mounds a foot tall and equally wide, it can be planted in a corner of the garden on its own, or edge a flower bed to add a splash of color to the landscape. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.